Hi everybody, this is Audra from Homesteading in Idaho. So a while back, one of the channels I watch is Striving for the Simple Life that Tina has. And she's a little urban type homesteader over in Oregon. I love what she's doing. Anyway, she had a giveaway a while back and my name was drawn. I couldn't believe it. I'm like, I never win anything. So I'm gonna open this up with all of you guys right here. See what we have. So thank you so much, Tina at Striving for the Simple Life. This was exciting. Like I was drinking my water actually as I was watching that video, and I nearly dropped it. I couldn't believe when my channel's name was called. So this was really exciting. So check out this book, The Front Yard Gardens. I'm excited about this book. Like, I can't tell you the excitement I have for this book. I'm always trying to come up with ideas for here at my little place, like how to dress it up, how to make it look better, what can I put where, and I mean, isn't that beautiful? Like, this actually reminds me of Shay Elliott in Washington, who has the Elliott Homestead. Her homestead, oh my goodness, that girl has the most beautiful gardens going on I've ever seen. So excited about the book. I know she said there were some other goodies in here. These little bags, how fun are these? I might use these for saving for some seeds. I could use them for that. Got some ideas. Oh, a thank you card. Get it out. Says, thank you so much for being a subscriber and YouTube friend. Hugs, Tina. Oh, Tina, thank you. Oh, I'm sorry, there's a third little bag. And check out these seeds, you guys. I like, if you know me, I'm crazy about seeds. So there's one here. It's called the Snow Princess. It's a tomato. How cool is that? Spaghetti squash. Oh my gosh, like this, we don't have enough of this for our house. Tell you what, we never grow enough plants. Mary's Heirloom Seeds, these are, oh, yes, these are Scarlet Nantes carrots. Probably said that wrong. Anyway, I love carrots, and actually we just pulled some heirloom carrots out of the garden yesterday that I've been cooking with. So, Tina, oh, sorry, I almost forgot. Some amazing lip balm. How cool is that? It's from Loma Soaps and Sundries. It's lemon cake lip balm. Oh, I have to smell it. Oh my goodness. I'm loving it. So thank you so much, Tina at Striving for the Simple Life. She has a giveaway actually going on right now until January 31st. Hop on over to her channel, check it out. Amazing, awesome channel that she's got going on. She's sharing her life with everybody. She has a really awesome video. I think it's usually on Sundays, where it's Tea with Tina, and she talks about different things that are on her heart, on her mind, and it makes me think. You know, there are videos that I go, okay, yep, it just, so I love watching her videos. She's raising chickens, they garden, they have a really fun collection of animals besides the chickens. And so go check her out. That's Tina at, just totally spaced your channel name. Can you believe I just did that? Striving for the Simple Life. There we go. Striving for the Simple Life. Go check out Tina. Thank you, Tina, so much. This is amazing. I'm going to spend plenty of hours going through this book, and I cannot wait to start these seeds. So thank you so much.